Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sarah. Today I'm going to be doing a review on a DIY all-natural powder and liquid foundation. I found it on Pinterest and I will link the one I use down below. It only uses 3 ingredients: arrowroot powder, cocoa powder, and cinnamon. I'm a little skeptical. The article claims, some pretty big claims, that arrowroot is supposed to make your skin soft and silky. Cocoa, which contains antioxidants, will heal and repair any skin damage. Any makes me a little skeptical. And cinnamon is good for fighting acne, as well as diminishing fine lines and wrinkles. So it basically sounds like any skin issues you have, this will solve it. I have done some other all-natural DIY skincare things like cleanser, moisturizer, and lip balm, but I've never tried an actual makeup product. I've also done a DIY hair mask that used similar baking ingredients, and it smelled like I was mixing up a cake on my head. So I'm curious as to what it's going to smell like once I put it on my face. Maybe I will have chocolate cravings all day. We'll see. I'm currently not wearing any base makeup, but I did wash and prime my face. I used the Revlon Photo Ready Brightening Primer and a few sprays of the Mario Badescu, not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. Let's go ahead and mix everything up. Okay, so I had to add a little bit more cinnamon and cocoa powder than the recipe told me to because it just looked so white, and I'm pretty pale, so if you have a deeper skin tone, you're definitely going to need to add a lot more than they tell you. So that's the shade that I was able to get for the powder. However, when I added the moisturizer and the water in order to make the liquid foundation, it looked a lot darker, clearly very much darker than my natural skin tone. So I'm hoping that it'll go on a little bit better and not look so dark. Epic fail on my behalf. I'm going to try the liquid foundation on the left half of my face, and I'm also going to put the powder over it. And on this side, I'm going to just use the powder foundation so I can see how each works. Ooh. Oh man. Okay. Yeah, it feels like I am just putting some kind of batter on my face. Let's see how it blends out. Ooh. It doesn't resemble a liquid foundation at all. It is like chalky and not blending in, just oof, just sitting there. Like, it clearly looks like I'm just rubbing baking ingredients onto my face. Ooh, it's clogging up my brush. So it may be a little early, but I'm going to definitely say that this is a bust. Like, I didn't think it was going to be great, but I didn't think it was going to be this bad. It's just crumbling on my face. Ooh, what a waste of ingredients. I'm not even going to bother putting the powder foundation on this side. I'm going to have to immediately wash it off. Let's hope this is a little better. Really powdery. The arrowroot, oh, the arrowroot is so thin, as well as the other powders, but it just, I can taste it, and it's, ooh. It doesn't look terrible on my skin. It's not adding any coverage or anything, but it doesn't look like this side. I feel like at best you could use this just if you have oily skin and you want to control the oils, but then honestly, just get a normal powder. My skin does feel soft, I guess. Okay, so I'm surprised by how it's sitting on my skin. I thought it was going to look like a desert on my skin, but it's definitely not bad. I don't think I would use it in place of other powders that I have, but if you are someone that's looking for the all-natural alternative, this could be an option for you. My problem with pins like this on Pinterest is that they make it seem so easy, but like, how did you get anything other than what happened on my face? Like, how did it turn out to be normal foundation? I'd like to know. Would definitely not recommend the liquid foundation. Maybe there's another recipe out there that you can find that will be natural but better. Skeptical, but could be. The powder, not my first option or my second, but if I had nothing else, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am going to go wash all of this off my face. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.